Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be talking about this particular token, LN token. This is an airdrop token which listed on the gateio exchange about 3 days ago, and currently guys is trading at $0.03457. Alright, so guys, what if I told you still be able to earn this particular token free of charge in gateio exchange? Alright, all you have to do guys is just to follow the simple steps I'm about to show you right now, and you will definitely earn this token here on the gateio exchange. In the end guys, you'll be able to swap it for USDT and make your money. Alright, so all you have to do guys is just make sure you watch this video till the end and do not skip any part of this video. And in case you're visiting us for the first time or not yet subscribed, kindly do well to give this video a thumbs up. Then you go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell to all, so you always get notifications of important videos like this. Alright, now if you check out the video description, you're going to find the link to the campaign I placed right there. Alright, once you get here guys, you can see get alpha listed LN tokens, trade to share 1 million LN airdrops. Alright, so gateio is offering airdrops, and this is going to end in 3 days time, so you do not have to sleep on this. Alright, about 1 million LN tokens. Let's see how much it's worth in dollars. If you come up here guys and type in 1 million LN tokens, you can see this right here. You discover that it's currently worth about $35,000. Alright, so we have about $35,000 to claim from. We have about $35,000 as a pool to participate and claim from. Alright, so once you click on the link guys, you're going to find yourself in this particular page, and all you need to do guys is just to scroll down a bit. You will see some tasks you need to complete before you be able to claim out this particular airdrop. Alright, now on this particular page guys, this just works by, let me just scroll down a bit. It works by cracking all these eggs you're seeing right here. Alright, now you have chances of cracking this egg. Currently I have about 0 chances. You can say I have about 0 chances of cracking this egg. Now let me tell you guys what it takes to have the chance of cracking this egg. Alright, cracking this egg now will show you the amount of LN tokens you're going to win out of the $35,000 reward pool we have. Alright, now to get chances of cracking this egg, if you scroll down a bit, you see the rules and the activity rules. Participants can get chances to grab prizes by completing any of the following tasks. Users must visit the event page on the same day to claim their task rewards. Now, like we said guys, we have different ways of getting chances of cracking these eggs and then winning the prizes of this particular airdrop. It's not a big deal. Once you're able to complete this task, then you stand a chance of claiming this particular airdrop definitely. Now the first one guys is spot trading. Alright, you can see get 1 chance for every $500 LN spot trading volume or $700 spot trading volume of other tokens accumulated. Get up to 10 chances per day through spot trading. So what this simply means guys is just to accumulate up to $500 LN spot trading volume. Just come up here and trade this particular token, LN token. Once you trade it guys and accumulate up to $500 trading volume, you'll be able to get 1 chance of claiming this particular airdrop. All right, 1 chance of cracking this particular eggs. Or you get up to $700 trading volume in other tokens, and you also get chance of cracking this particular egg. That's just very simple, and that's the first criteria to participate in cracking this egg. The second one guys is just to invite new friends. Invite a new user to register and complete a single deposit of any amount in LN tokens or spot trading or futures trading to get 1 chance. So if you're able to invite 1 user to gateio exchange, all you have to do guys is just to copy out your referral link, share it to your friends. If you're able to invite 1 user to register and complete verification on gateio exchange guys, you stand a chance of having 1 chance of cracking this particular egg, meaning that you either get to crack this or crack this or crack this or crack this or crack this one. All right, now if you're able to crack this one guys or any of them, you'll be able to see the reward in it and claim it, and that's going to be the LN tokens as airdrop. All right, now the second one guys is just if the invitee completes a single deposit of at least $100 in any token or accumulates $500 in spot trading volume or reaches $2,000 in futures trading volume, or the inviter gets additional 2 chances. All right, so meaning that if the person you invited deposits up to $100 in any token, you get 2 extra chances, meaning you get 3 in total. All right, that's just very simple. You get 3 chances of cracking this egg, and that's how you pile up your airdrop tokens. All right, now the next option, guys, is to participate in the launch pool. You can see the third one right here. Users participating in the launch pool for the first time, we get 3 chances. So if you've never participated in Gate.io launch pool, if this is your first time participating in the Gate.io launch pool, you stand a chance of getting 3 chances of cracking this egg. Very simple. And during the event, non-first time participants, we get 1 chance for each launch pool participation. If you've been participating before now, guys, you have only 1 chance of cracking the eggs. If you have not been participating, guys, and it's your first time, you get about 3 chances of cracking the eggs and winning airdrop. All right, now this one is just new user bonus for new users, guys, like people that newly register on the account. New users who register and complete a single deposit of any amount in LN tokens or sports trading or futures trading to get 1 chance. A single deposit of at least $100 in any token, or $500 in spot trading volume, or $2,000 in futures trading volume gets 3 chances. So as a new user, guys, you have a lot of opportunities to win this particular airdrop. Once you make deposit of about $100, you have the chance of getting 3 chances. All right, 3 chances of cracking this particular egg. Or you just go ahead, create your account, verify your account, and make deposit in any amount of these LN tokens. All right, you can choose to deposit about $1, $10 of LN tokens, just buy from another exchange and deposit into Gate.io exchange. Then you stand a chance of cracking one egg and then winning airdrop from it. That's how simple it is. All right, so as a new user, guys, you have a lot of opportunities. And the next, guys, is just to share to win. All right, let me just open this. Share this page with friends, and the invitee successfully log into the page and complete any task. The inviter can win up to $50. So if you're able to share this page and any of your invitees should complete any of these tasks, guys, you get to win up to $50 in the LN token airdrop. All right, so this is very simple, and I feel it's an opportunity for you to participate and win this particular airdrop. Like I said, guys, this is going to last for only 3 days, and this is it on this LN token. I'll be leaving the link for you guys in the description box of this video, and if you don't have an account with Gate.io, guys, I'll be leaving the Gate.io account link in the description box of this video. All you have to do, guys, is just to click on it and create an account with them. Then you stand the chance of earning this particular airdrop. Like I said, this is not going to last long, and you don't want to sleep on this. If you have questions to ask, do well to put it down in the comment section, and I promise to respond to your questions immediately. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.